Sir, good day. Tanong ko lang, paano kung disability retirement? Makakuha ba ng 5-year lump sum? Salamat sa sagot, sir. Salamat din sa tanong niyo, sir. And ito yung sagot natin, sir. Please watch the full video. Meron tayong good answer sa good question niyo po. Ito na po. As you can see sa ating presentation, sir, ang mag-qualify po sa 5-year lump sum ay yung mga nag-retire under Republic Act 8291. Eligibility criteria nila, sir, is number one, you must have rendered at least 15 years of service and must be at least 60 years old upon retirement. And number two, you must not be permanent total disability pensioner. Simply said, sir, ang mag-qualify sa 5-year lump sum are those 60 years old or more and may 15 years government service. And number two, sir, hindi po siya permanent total disability. Ayan po, very clear po yan, sir. So ano po ang benefit po ng mga disability pensioners? Kagaya po ninyo, sir. Ayan po sa baba, sir. Basahin natin po. Members who become permanently and totally disabled are entitled to the monthly income benefits for life equivalent to the basic monthly pension effective from the date of disability. In addition to the monthly income benefits for life, a cash payment equivalent to 18 times the basic monthly pension will be paid to members who were in the service at the time of the permanent total disability and who have paid a total of 180 monthly contributions. Simply said, sir, so mga disabled na katulad ninyo, entitled kayo, sir, sa monthly pension for life. Automatic yan, sir. So, no need na 60 years old ka. As long as disabled po tayo, permanent total disability, kung kailan tayo na disabled po, yan po ang date na mag-start ang monthly pension ninyo sa GSIS for life. And apart from that, sir, meron kayong cash payment na 18 times or 18 months po na basic monthly pension. As long as po na nakabayad tayo ng 180 monthly contribution, ibig sabihin 15 years na meron tayong PPP or GSIS contribution. Ayan po. So saan natin nakuha yung 15 years na payment? Simply divide po 180 monthly contributions divided by 12. So 15 years po yan. Bakit 12? Kasi in 1 year, meron tayong 12 months. Ayan po. So hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, sir. Keep watching my channel. Lahat ng mga good questions, may good answers po tayo dyan. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.